Hi guys, welcome back, and let's hop right into it. So remember to write your name and the date in the top right hand corner, and let's start. I'll be doing the example with the pink stars, and with the help of the examples, I hope you guys can do the rest. So we're going to do decimals. You must be wondering what decimals are, and basically, remember how there's base 10, right? This is the ones, and we're from tens, hundred, thousands, and etc. Right? This time we're gonna add a decimal. This is a decimal point. Decimal point. It goes from, this is in the tenths. Tenths. This is in the hundreds. Hundredths. And then thousands. And then, yeah. So these are smaller than 1. And we're going to try to write each as a decimal for this first page. So, first I have to look at the bottom denominator. This is going to help you know where the place is going to be. So this is going to be in the tens place because this number is to 10. Therefore, it's going to be like that. That simple. You just put the numerator in that position that they're asking for. So let's look at this one. 1 and 2 hundredths. So if there's a space separating a whole number and a fraction, it's going to be a 1 and then point, since it's separating. Like, think of this as its own, like that. And then I'll just put this in the triangle. Actually, I'll have a different color. 2 100ths, 2 over 100, which is, first we see it's in the hundredths place, and the hundredths place is going to be 2 places away from the decimal, and the number they're asking is 2. So that's it, 1.02. I think that's pretty simple. Okay, moving on. This time we're going to write decimals as fractions. So let's look at 10. So 10 is asking for 0.589 or 589th thousandths. So first we look at how many positions is it away from 0, how many place values is away from 0. So this is tenths, that's tenths, this is hundredths, and this is thousands. So this is in the thousands place. Thousands. And 1,000 looks like that. Basically, decimals are fractions. So it's just going to be 589 over 1,000. I hope that's simple. It's just basically decimals are fractions. First you find a position, what place value it is in. This is in the thousands place. So the denominator is going to be in 1,000. And then this is going to be, since it's 5.589, you just put the rest of the numbers as the numerator. Now we're going to add and subtract fractions. You guys, remember that if the denominators are the same, then you could add straight through. A little refresher. Let's do 1/3 plus, let's do 1/4 plus 2/4. Since the denominator is the same, the denominator is going to be the same here. And therefore 1 plus 2 is 3. Let's do the same thing. Let's do a subtraction 1, like that. If the denominators are the same, then the denominator will be the same for the answer. and then you just do the top if it's normal. 3 minus 2 is 1. So let's take that and put it into number 5. So since the denominators are the same, therefore the numerators, when you add, you just have to add in numerators. So 19 plus 34, that is 53, and therefore that's a 53 over 100. Lastly, we're going to do a word problem. So Ashley broke her cookies into 10 pieces. She gives 2/10 to her mom and 3/10 to your dad. What is the decimal of the cookie that she have left? So she starts out with 10 cookies. Let's visualize this out and then let's do this mathematically. Let's draw it out first. So she has 10 pieces. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and let's say the green one represents mom, pink represents dad, and then the blue will be left over. So she gives 2/10 to her mom. So out of the 10 pieces, she gives 2 away, and then she gives 3/10 to her dad. So out of the 10 pieces, it can be like that. So what's the decimal of the cookie that she have left? So she has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She has 5/10 of the cookie left. So 5 out of 10 cookies are still there. Now let's think about this mathematically, okay? So what we usually do is we get the amount we originally have. So original minus amount given, right? To find leftover. So let's find the original amount. She has 10 pieces. So that's 10 out of 10 cookies, which is also 1. The amount given, we have to combine the mom's and the dad's pieces she given. So that's 2/10 plus 3/10, which is 5/10. And therefore, you subtract those two together. 10 over 10 minus 5 over 10. Since denominators are the same, the denominator will be the same here. And then we could just do 10 minus 5, which is 5. So she has 5 out of 10 cookies still left over. This is a visual way, and this is a mathematical way. Alright, that's basically it. Hope it wasn't too bad, and good luck, guys. See you soon. Bye bye.